You'll notice cleaning stations throughout the building in all the classrooms. So whenever you go into a classroom or you go into a particular space, you can clean up that area. You can spray it down, wipe it off, and then we ask that when you leave that area, you once again spray it down and wipe it off for the benefit of whoever's going to be coming in next. Keep in mind that the student lounge is going to be closed, the main student lounge we're talking about, but the kitchenette student lounge will be open. So if you do want to come in and microwave something or put something in the refrigerator, you can do that. When using the kitchenette, of course, please be very careful to spray things down and wipe them before and after you are done. The other thing I'll mention is that there is going to be a fresh air zone right off of the student lounge. So on the balcony, right off of the kitchenette student lounge, you can go there, get a few breaths, stand by yourself, social distance from one another, but take off your mask if you need to do so for a short period of time.